Everyone says Newton is the god of physics, but in 2025, we have to ask the real question. Does he actually have aura, or was he just a mid-tier scientist with a lucky apple? I'm reading his Principia, so you don't have to. And let me tell you, these man's stats are insane. So he wasn't just the original scientist. While everyone was caught up in the plague of 1665, Newton went into a 2-year solo rank up session and literally invented the laws of the universe. No cap. Today we'll be ranking Newton's aura using his own 3 laws of motion. Let's cook. Inertia. An object at rest stays at rest unless a net force acts on it. Think about your For You page. It stays on one video until you actually scroll. That's inertia. Newton realized that the entire universe is basically lazy. Everything wants to keep doing exactly what it's doing. So if you're sitting on the couch, you stay on the couch. 200 plus aura for Newton, please. Like, for realizing that the universe is just like us. But here's the flex. Newton realized this applied to planets. He looked at the moon and said, "You're only moving because something is pulling you." That's main character energy. Law 2, where the math kicks in. Force equals mass multiplied by acceleration. So if you have a massive brain but zero acceleration, it means you're doing nothing. So your force is zero. You're just an NPC. Newton realized that to move anything, you need to apply a specific amount of energy. He invented calculus just to prove this. Imagine being so annoyed at a math problem that you invent an entirely new branch of math just to solve it. That is like so much more aura. Absolute legend behavior. Law 3. For every action, there's an equal and opposite reaction. This is the no cap law. So, what I mean, you stab a disc, the desk slaps you back with the exam safe force. You launch a rocket down, the rocket goes up. It's the law of universal balance. Newton proved that you can't touch something without it touching you back. It's the ultimate vibe check. If you put out bad energy, the same universe hits you with that same energy. So the final verdict, well, Isaac Newton was kind of a goat, guys, no debate. But if you do want to debate, then comment and hit subscribe. This is JK Friend with Uranus Flexions saying logic stays on. See you next time.